Hello everyone in YouTube land. This is Edwin. I'm going to play you another version of the Mockingbird. This is another cylinder that I just found, and I didn't realize I have two copies of this cylinder. One cylinder is copy number 49 and the other is copy number 47, which means that's the mold number that they poured, number 47 and number 49. The one that's on my cylinder player is number 47. It's less scratchy, and there's a gash in number 49, so I'm not going to play number 49. It's not as lively as the first cylinder. This is with Elizabeth Spencer and Walter Van Brunt, and I hope it don't put you to sleep because it's not as lively as the xylophone photo by Charles Dabbs. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on.
I'm dreaming now of Hallie, for the thought of Hallie's one that never dies. She's sleeping in the valley, so early, so early. She's sleeping in the valley, and the mockingbird is singing where she lies. Listen to the mockingbird, listen to the mockingbird. The mockingbird still singing o'er her grave. Listen to the mockingbird, listen to the mockingbird, still singing where the weeping willows wave. When the charms of spring awaken, awaken, awaken. When the charms mockingbird, listen to the mockingbird. The mockingbird still singing of fame. Listen to the mockingbird, listen to the mockingbird, still singing where the weeping willows wave.
Okay, I hope you didn't fall asleep during the playing of that cylinder. It was pretty, though. Well, thanks for watching.